The Office of Special Counsel responding to hearing officer Judge Melvin Zeno's findings, the OSC recommending her removal from office. The report claims Foxworth-Roberts made false claims and misleading responses in her initial response to the OSC's inquiry. WBRZ spoke to one former investigator with the Office of Special Counsel who worked on the case and testified during the disciplinary hearing.
She was absolutely uncooperative with us when it came to investigating her military background. She absolutely ignored our subpoenas, and I think the hearing officer called her out on that.
Per the report, Foxworth-Roberts told OSC she did not file an insurance claim after a car burglary on the campaign trail.
She presented stuff from her auto insurance and said, "No, look, I didn't file a claim on my auto insurance." Well, later we found out, you did file one on your homeowner's insurance. So you got flat out just tried to muddy the water and not answer us truthfully. And for a judge to do that, I found that extremely distressing.
The report also says Foxworth-Roberts lied in her sworn statement, claiming she became a captain while serving in the Army, and saying in campaign materials that she served in Desert Storm.
She absolutely wasn't old enough, and then I found out through records research that she wasn't a captain, which she had campaigned on, so she had misrepresented her rank.
Woody Jenkins, who runs the Central City News, said this past June that he created the newspaper ads.
I don't know if she ever saw it. It wasn't one ad. We probably did 5 or 6. But whatever, if there's any mistakes in there, I'm responsible, not her, because she just said, "Hey, do an ad for my campaign."
But the hearing officer found Jenkins' testimony not credible, saying he sought to provide cover for the respondent, his former client. According to OSC, Zeno, the hearing officer, reported he believed Foxworth-Roberts was uncooperative because she knew what investigators would find. Quoted from his report, "Evidence in the record is clear and convincing that the respondent did not cooperate in the production of her military records because she did not want the OSC to discover her false claims about her rank in military service." Parker says in his experience, situations like these are not common.
In the entire time I was there, they didn't remove anybody. I think the closest we came, they were getting ready to remove the Justice of Peace, and he resigned at the last minute.
We reached out to Foxworth-Roberts and her legal team. They declined to comment. Foxworth-Roberts is scheduled to appear before the Judiciary Commission on May 23rd. Sylvia.